All right, our rice is coming to a boil, so we're going to put that in the back. We'll turn that burner down to a 3, and we're going to let that simmer and reduce until all the liquid's gone. Take our frying pan, and we're going to add a tablespoon of oil. Now we kept this cap, so we're just going to go ahead and pull our seeds out. I'm going to discard them. I'm going to go ahead and chop this into some very thin pieces. And then we're going to go ahead and just fry this really quickly. And right when it's done, we're going to hit it with some oregano. Now, if you would rather skip this step and just cut up some roasted red peppers, that's a very good idea. Right, we're going to hit this, and again, we're not going to cook it for very long because we're going to be adding these to our roasted vegetables. I'm going to give it just a hint of wine. All right, let's take our vegetables out now. See, the butter's starting to melt. We're going to take our red peppers because we want to add a little bit of crunch to this. The asparagus should still be fairly crunchy, but our zucchinis and squash are going to melt down and be really, really soft. So this is going to give us some color and a little bit of crunch. All right, so we're going to put this back in for another 5 minutes, and because we only have 5 minutes left to go, we are now also going to be adding our shrimp.